Okay, so working with modules is a really important skill. So modules are separate bits of code. So if I go to my folder again, not working with files anymore, but it's just in a folder, it doesn't really matter. So what I've got here is I've got my example Python file, which is this one I've got up here. But notice in the same folder, I've got one I've called my module. You could call it what you want, but I've got my module here, which has got a dictionary in it, assigned to a variable. It's got a function, or it's a procedure, but you get what I mean. It's got a basic procedure. So this is a bit of basic code, but I've put it into a different file. Now, what I want to teach you to do is the ability to work with code from the other file. Now, this is a really important skill purely because most programs nowadays are not written by a single person. They're written by teams of people. So if you ever wanted to become a programmer or anything like this, you've got to learn to work with others. And one of the best ways you do it is you work on different modules at different times and use each other's code. So most big programs are actually split up into lots of files, which makes it easy to work on and share. So if we want to work with that file, the first thing we've got to do is we've got to import it. So at the top, you put import my module, which is going to import that file. Then because we've done that, we can reference things in it. So if we go back, look, and you see it's got a function called greeting. We just need to now, instead of just calling it greeting, we just need to write my module.greeting. And then we can use it because it's saying go there and use that function. So if I run that, you can see it's gone to that file there, looked for the function greeting and passed this parameter through, and it's done hello Jonathan. Okay, in the same way you could use the dictionary, so you can use the variables from it. So we've got there, go to my module and look at person one's age and then print it out. So person one, his age was 36. You can see it's printed out 36 at the bottom. So this is how to create a module and then how to use it within another piece of code.